Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to use a Vizio subwoofer on its own without the original soundbar, you've probably noticed it doesn't work the way a regular standalone subwoofer would. That's because most Vizio subwoofers are designed to operate as part of a paired system, meaning they rely on the soundbar to send audio signals wirelessly. Without that connection, the subwoofer doesn't receive any sound input by default. This can make it seem unusable on its own, but there are a few specific ways you can still get it to function depending on your setup. It requires understanding how the subwoofer connects and what alternatives you can use to feed it audio. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to attempt using your Vizio subwoofer without the soundbar. Try these. Step 1. Power on the subwoofer and ensure it is in pairing or standby mode. Step 2. Check if the subwoofer has any direct input ports available. Step 3. Attempt to pair it with a compatible Vizio sound system or transmitter. Step 4. Reset the subwoofer to clear any previous pairing connection. Step 5. Use an external audio system if direct connection is supported. Step 6. Test for bass output and confirm if the setup is working.